What happens when you put two ones together? You get ONEWE and OnlyOneOf. Let's go. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Landon and we are here again today with a very special request from Z. Today, Z wants me to watch two videos from two different groups, ONEWE and OnlyOneOf. Z says here in the note, two ONEWE songs off the same album with totally different vibes, but just so good. Chef's kiss, you're gonna love them. The video for Rain to Be Never Gets Old and Veronica is just the most serotonin-inducing hard eyes. OnlyOneOf's next album, Instinct Part 2, also continues the story from Libido. So, these are two songs off the album. Skinz is the title track and was honestly pretty divisive in the fandom, sonically. I'm interested to see what you think. Make sure you give the description box a read. Make sure I give the description box a read? Girl, you're so basic, your description box only needs one line of characters. Oh, not that kind of read. Anyway, remind me when I get there. Y'all not gonna be here, but I'm gonna try to remember. We're gonna be watching 4 videos today, and then the last one is OnlyOneOf gaslighting. Y'all are just gaslighting me, huh? There's really nothing in the description. Anyway, I don't know. Let's see. Today we're finding out together. Thank you so much to Z. Let's hop in. Starting off today with Rain to Be. Forecaster's worst nightmare. I got some new ONEWE this week on the wrap up. There he is. Like in the rain, looking all sexy with the low drip drops. What? That's electronic. I'm kind of scared for you. Safe, then the pool is filling up. Is nobody gonna help? It's giving me like Passenger, Train, like that kind of rock vibe. Yeah. It's filling up. I hope they unplugged everything. Definitely not Passenger up in this bitch with that. Okay. Yay! They gotta say, they didn't give no warning, like kids don't try this at home. It's essentially a toaster in a bathtub, but I liked it. Okay, that was fun. It gave me like a whoop ba doo doo da da boom, 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 boom. Moment, feeling, vibe. I love a little electric guitar rock out in there. I really kind of couldn't stop thinking about them possibly being electrocuted, but I know that they wouldn't allow that to really happen. But I was thinking at the very end, like, what would it be? Some fucking shit they are like, no, no, no. Don't do that to me. Yeah, anyway, we just watched Gravity in the wrap up this past Friday, and I'm loving that, and I'm love how they went to Gravity, and this was another song too, where it just gives a little bit of a different vibe. And even like Z said here too, the songs that came off the same album, but different vibes. I feel like they're just able to find the rock vibes, like everywhere. And then like, I just love the rap too. The next song we're listening to today is one that Z said is serotonin inducing. I'm really just can't stop thinking about the OnlyOneOf description box. What the fuck? But no, now it's time for 1 week. Okay, that's the one we're looking for. Not only one. OnlyFans. Okay, Veronica, let's go. That guitar, bro, like. I like his hair. This is fun. It's this guitar. Hey, hey, hey. Take one out and show me. I love that. I love it. I want to be him. Okay, so how many people named Veronica out there? Like, yeah. Comment down below if your name is Veronica. I just want to be drunk dancing to this. Imagine just being drunk in like a little saloon. Never mind. Hey, hey. 9 planets. Yes! Come through with that little sync on the guitar. That was fun. That threw me back. 80s vibes. And then another like riff to it's like this song is fun because it's gonna be something different every second. You can listen to it for so many different parts. Yeah, Veronica's a little lucky bitch. Veronica's a little lucky bitch. Okay. Ronnie. I keep thinking of Veronica from Riverdale. That's the person that's coming to my head. There's only Veronica I really know, but I like that. I see what you were saying. Every single time they went off into one of their little guitar solos, rap off, whatever was happening, hitting them high notes, all of it together. There's so many things about this song that you could just go back to and listen to and like and find new fun little things in there happening all the time. Woo! I liked it. Congrats, boys of ONEWE. Showing those two songs really showed that that album must have been just a great range of genres. It's a bad bitch genre. Okay, thank y'all. All right, so now we are going to watch OnlyOneOf skinz, the one that was divisive amongst the community. I am finally going to the description box here. Let's see what they say. Scene 2, skinz. It doesn't matter who you are. It doesn't matter whether you are white, black, Hispanic, Asian, male, or female. I'm saying that your mere skin doesn't matter. All that matters is you. Really? Just me? Yeah, I was hearing the libido was a little divisive. A little bit, but I'm excited to see where they're gonna take it next. This is the divisive part now. This is skinz. OnlyOneOf. I like that. Already. Fuck. Very interesting. I kind of fuck with the interesting though. Okay, what is happening? Hey. We got some stuff to say. Don't worry. Okay, I'm coming, like. Y'all be getting skins, showing skins up in the videos? No immunity to the infection. What are these, cordyceps? I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. All right, let me just bring you through my thought process. Okay, at first I was like, I can fuck with it. I see they're already kind of doing something a little bit different and I'm here with it. Then we did make it to the chorus and I just don't think I liked the chorus. I think that we made it a little too experimental. There was no beat to follow. It was a little bit of this wobble, like, but I think if it was more of a simple wobble, like if it was like, versus like, it would have been a little bit easier to follow. I think it was just so much happening, but then also not enough. I don't know how to explain that. I don't know either. I don't know. That has to be one that grows on you. And I will say this. There was a part at the very end, the last part, where I'm like, this is what the chorus should have sounded like. We're going to go back. I'm going to go back and find it. So this is the original chorus. You see what the wobble I mean? I just feel like it needed a little bit more timing there, or a little bit more like in sync. But then like, okay, the last chorus came. This. Low voice. If this would have been the entire chorus always, I would have loved this. I don't like this as much. It's just so much happening. But if it would have kept that subtle little, like, I mean, I don't want to say this again, but like a Billie Eilish, very simple chorus, a Felix from Stray Kids, just kind of over the beat kind of thing, that would have been, I think we just took it a little too far. But I can see what they were going with. I like the video. I like the concept. I like the boy love. I think that, like, if they're going to do it and they're going to do it, then they should just keep doing it. But I think that, yeah, this was a very, very interesting song. All right, let's move on now to our last one of the day. The last one is going to be called Gaslighting. I promise y'all are gaslighting me. I'm not gaslighting nobody. Like, let's see what the choreography is and if the song is a little bit more cohesive. I don't know. Let's see. I liked it. The first one, I think that's just a girl woman. There's a lot to take in. Which can't always be a good thing, but isn't always a bad thing. Gaslighting.
I'm making money, I'm moving up there. You better trust in me just like I'm saying. I'm not more yammy, I'm a me timid. Don't need to worry. What is she gonna do, gonna do, gonna do, gonna do? That's a joke, got him on, gotta do, go and dish. Come show me, baby, match I go dish. I could be the same, yeah. Never be catching, nobody would be thinking that it might get joking.
I fuck with this one. Let me say that. Let me hear the chorus first. This is what it needed. I like this one. See, I couldn't find a beat in the other one. This should have been title track, my opinion, but I like it, Oh, it's the hair for me. They all a little zesty and I like it. You want to be gaslit? I like this one a lot. Oh, production. Okay. All right. Redemption. Not that you needed the redemption, but I just wanted to make sure y'all knew what a beat was. I'm just kidding. I think that was the point, though. Something in me wants to go back and listen to Skinz again right now. And I think that was the goal. They're gonna be like the shock value, whether it's the shock of grabbing crotches or the shock of mysterious beats. You never know what you're really gonna get. And I think that's what's gonna keep people coming back for more. Okay, Z, keep me on this journey, Z. I need to know more. I do appreciate that they are pushing the boundaries and stuff like that. This is talking about OnlyOneOf. I like the music, though. I like the music. I like the other stuff, and I liked the gaslighting song, but damn, Skinz is so crazy. But ONEWE, they did no wrong. They did no wrong. They rained on me, baby, and they called me Veronica. It's like, slap me and give me a name, but rain on me and call me Veronica. And I'm okay with it. I am. Thank you so much to Z for all of your patience with this request as well, and for all of your amazing support and being an amazing friend and keep me up to date and everything. I love it. I will be back with more videos soon, but before you head out, make sure you click like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, I love you. Till then, bye. Would love to know them by name. So,